How to remove notifications in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the notification. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now here on the right, on the top, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. So this is the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see the option called notifications. Tap on notifications. Now you can edit any of the notifications that are available. So just tap on one and now tap on edit. So here are customizations of notifications that you can do. So you can enable and disable the ones that you don't want to. So just enable the one that you like and disable the one that you don't want. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.